Shrushali from Krushiraj classes. In this today's video, we are going to check one important theorem of the chapter triangles. This is the most important and most expected theorem for your board exam. So what is this theorem? This theorem says that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the squares of the ratios of their corresponding sides. What is the meaning of this? Here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Already it is given that these two triangles are similar. And we know that when the triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. So here, what this theorem says, if these two triangles are similar, their areas, the ratio of their areas is equal to the squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides. This means the given thing is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We have to prove that area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. So for this, we have to do one simple construction. We have to draw here AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. So for what purpose we are doing this construction, you will come to know now. So let us proceed further to the proof of this theorem. As we want here area of triangle ABC and PQR, let us find what is the area of these two triangles. Area of ABC, it is triangle. So area of triangle is half base into height. So for this triangle ABC, BC is base and AM is height. So area of triangle ABC is half base, that is BC, into height, that is AM. Similarly, for this triangle PQR, base is QR and height is PN. So area of triangle PQR is half QR, that is base, into PN, which is height of this triangle. Now, the LHS set, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. So we will start with this first. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is half into BC into AM upon half into QR into PN. Here, this half and half gets cancelled. So, what are the remaining terms here? BC upon QR into AM upon PN. So, for timing, I will mark this as equation 1. Area of ABC upon area of PQR, we get BC upon QR into AM upon PN. Let us mark this as 1. Now, we will consider these two triangles, that is triangle ABM and triangle PQN. In triangle ABM and triangle PQN, let us see what information we have of these two triangles. In this triangle ABM and PQN, angle AMB and angle PNQ is 90 degrees. Because by our construction, AM is perpendicular to BC and PN is perpendicular to QR. So this is the reason why angle AMB and angle PNQ is equal to 90 degrees. Now one more thing we have in these two triangles. Here angle ABM is equal to angle PQN. Why? Already it is given that these two triangles are similar, and we know that similar triangles are always equiangular. That means the angles of two similar triangles are always equal. So as these two triangles are similar, angle ABM is equal to angle PQN. Angle ABM is equal to PQN because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now in these two triangles, the triangles which were considered here, ABM and PQN, in these two triangles, we have two equal angles. Two angles are equal. So in any two triangles, if two angles are equal, then the triangles are similar by AA criteria. So here, what we get here is triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN by AA criteria. when the triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. So here, from these two triangles, I will take only two proportional sides, that is AB upon PQ is equal to AM upon PN. AB upon PQ is equal to AM upon PN. Fine. Now, here, as these two triangles are similar, even their sides are proportional. So, as ABC is similar to PQR, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. As these two triangles are similar, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Now just have a look at this. Here AB upon PQ is equal to AM upon PN and AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. So from this what can we conclude? Here we can say this AM upon PN is equal to BC upon QR. So from these two steps, our equation 1 becomes area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to BC upon QR. This BC upon QR remains as it is. This AM upon PN is replaced by BC upon QR. The explanation is here in these two steps. So AM upon PN is replaced by BC upon QR. BC into BC gives us BC square. QR into QR gives us QR square. So here we get area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to BC square upon QR square. But as these two triangles are similar, all its three sides are proportional. Means AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. So if the ratio of this area, if it is BC square upon QR square, it is also equal to the squares of the ratio of its other side. So finally, we conclude that area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. This is the most important and most expected theorem of this chapter, triangle. So hope you have understood this theorem properly, and again we are going to come across few more important theorems of this chapter. So to get the update of those theorems, please subscribe our channel and be in touch. Thank you so much for watching this video.